For any student that's at Bauer right now thinking about taking a non-traditional path, I encourage you to take it. But just know that there's going to be a lot of risk associated. It's not going to be easy, and also you're going to be trying and failing a lot. Growing up in a Filipino household, we had a lot of family members, so we'd always cook for the masses. And when I moved to LA, I really missed home cooking. I remember telling myself, I just have to spread Filipino food to everybody. And eventually that led me to auditioning for MasterChef last year. And I cooked the Filipino dish. It got me past through the initial rounds, and sooner or later, I blinked and I was cooking pancit, a Filipino noodle dish in front of Gordon Ramsay. If I had one word to describe my cooking style, it'd be Trilipino. I remember being in middle school, listening to Bun B talk, and he was like, yo, just keep it Trill.
Yo, what's up? This is Trill OG Bun B, repping UGK for life. Trill is about keeping it 100, being honest with who you are to yourself. Because if you're not being real with yourself, you can't be real with nobody else.
When I think of my food, right, it combines my Filipino upbringing with all the food that I've been exposed to here in Houston. So my time at Bauer was amazing. I went to the University of Houston, I imagine myself working in downtown, wearing a suit, carrying a laptop bag, and maybe traveling for work. And it was business. But what I failed to realize when I was young was that there were so many different majors that you could choose from, whether it was accounting, finance, supply chain, marketing, management, and each of those facets of business was truly specialized. And I just happened to choose accounting. So I've used accounting for my first couple of jobs, the Tom's, Oracle. And when I think about MasterChef, how would that really relate to accounting? A lot of it is the soft skills that I picked up in accounting. A lot of those everyday tasks that I did in accounting carried over surprisingly. I don't think that there was ever a book or class that taught me how to do that. It just happened organically. I think it's always important to keep your identity for whatever you do. And for me, particularly for my cooking and the way that I present myself, just because it's natural. I don't have to think about what I'm gonna say when I talk about Filipino food or describe some of the unique ingredients that we may have. And whenever you're pursuing something in life, whether it's a job or just a passion project, you have to know what you're pursuing, but you also gotta have fun. Last but not least, go Cougs.